physiologically speaking, what is a stroke?
What's a stroke?
I mean,
Yeah.
because like a heart attack, you can use, people are like, okay, blood clot goes there, you can get a heart attack. What is a stroke?
It's exactly the same. Replace brain and heart and you get a stroke. So every part of your body requires blood in order to function. If for whatever reason that blood supply gets stopped, you get an infarct, which means a part of your body that is not getting enough blood supply, so that part starts to die. Now whatever job that part was doing, now you will no longer be able to do. So if the left side of my brain stops getting blood supply, I will not be able to move the right side of my body,
Okay.
which is called a paralysis. Right? So why did the blood supply stop? Because something was blocking the artery. That can be a blood clot. So the most common reason for this is a blood clot in the artery. That's what causes a stroke.